All right, these are not really easy, so I'm going to help you with this. Okay, an auto stop is advertising a special sale. Buy 3 cans of motor oil, get 1 can free. How many cans should you buy in order to get 36? Well, some of those are going to be free. So, let me see. In order to get 4 cans, you have to buy 3. So, if you want 36 cans, how many do you need to buy? Well, 3 times 36 divided by 4, and that's how you're going to get your answer. Cross multiply. So I'll let you figure that out. The auto stop charges $2.09 for a can of motor oil. Adam spends this much on oil during the buy 3 cans get 1 free sale. So if you bought 3 cans, that would be $2.09 plus $2.09 plus $2.09, which is $6.27, and you do that in order to get 4 cans. 4 cans cost that much. But how many times do you have to spend that money to spend that much money? So you spent a total of this much money. So you'd have to spend this 6 times, because 6 times 627 equals 37. So if you bought 6 groups of 4, that's 6 times 4. And that's going to give the answer for how many cans of oil he got totally. Okay, the next one. The school cafeteria serves both ice cream and apples for dessert. 25 students choose ice cream for every 6 students who choose apples. In 1 week, the cafeteria served 600 ice creams. How many students chose apples? Well, 6 chose apples for every 25 that chose ice cream. There were 600 that chose ice cream. So here's the question. So you go this times this divided by this, and that's going to give you how many students choose apples. I'll let you figure that out. Cross multiply. Okay, Barry and Cecilia are playing a numbers game. One of them thinks of a number pattern and gives the first 6 numbers. The other has to name the next number in the pattern. Barry gave Cecilia these numbers: 3, 4, 7, 11, 18, 29. What's the next number? That's the question. Well, you might notice here that if you add 3 and 4, you get 7. If you add 4 and 7, you get 11. If you add 7 and 11, you get 18. If you add 11 and 18, you get 29. So you can figure out the next number. Okay. 24 students went on a school trip to the Science Museum. The admission price was $4 per student, but 1 student was admitted for every 3 students who paid. So what was the total cost? Okay, so for every 3 students who paid, so to get 4 students in there, you're going to have to spend $12, because 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12 for the 3. Then you get 1 more. So 4 students is $12. And you have 24. So 4 goes into 24 6 times. So you're going to have to spend $12 6 times. And then you'll have enough tickets. So what's 6 times 12? Do that and you'll know how many dollars you need to spend. Okay, so there's this floor, 17 feet by 13 feet. Let's draw it here. It's filled with tiles that are 1 square foot. The tiles alternate between black and white. If there's a black tile in one corner of the room, how many black tiles will be needed in all? So here you have a black, and then you have a white, and then you have another black, and you keep going down, and there's 13 of these rows. Okay, the first one and the last one, because there's 13, it's an odd number, so there's going to be 9 rows that have 9 each. Let me see, am I right about that? No, I'm wrong with that. There's going to be 7 rows that have 9 each. And the other 6 rows, that will equal 13, because 7 plus 6 is 13 rows. The other 6 rows will have 8 each, because you're going to have one right here, one right here, and there's only going to be 8 in this row. So it's going to be 9, then 8, then 9, then 8, like that. And so if you add up that, it's 63, and if you add 6, or if you multiply 6 times 8, that's 48. If you add these two together, then you will know how many black tiles there will be. Okay, you don't have to identify the property here, just add these up. The point is, parentheses don't matter when you're adding. Okay, and then you have to reduce this. Good luck.